What if one power setup could keep your phone, tablet, camera, earbuds, drone, and other everyday tech running without constantly fighting over wall outlets? Today we're checking out some of the smartest charging and portable power solutions available right now. Whether you're traveling, creating content, working remotely, or preparing for unexpected outages, these gadgets are built to keep the power flowing. Welcome to TechTrekNet. I'm your host. Now watch this. What if one
station? A smart, compact powerhouse that delivers 15-watt Qi 2 certified fast wireless charging for your iPhone, plus dedicated spots for your Apple Watch and AirPods, all at the same time. The standout feature is the auto-rotating MagSafe charger stand. Think of it like your personal charging assistant that not only keeps your phone aligned perfectly, but also spins it for the best viewing angle while you're in FaceTime calls, scrolling social media, or watching videos in bed. This isn't just about charging, it's about integrating into how you use your phone every day. The slim, rectangular design makes it travel-ready, sliding easily into a backpack or carry-on. And the fact that it comes with a 30-watt fast adapter, a 1.5-meter USB-C cable, and a full 12-month warranty means you get everything in one box. No extra purchases, no guessing about compatibility.
The Anker 521 Portable Power Station. A compact little warrior with serious stamina. It's powered by a 256 watt-hour LiFePO4 battery that can last up to 10 years, thanks to Anker's InfiniPower technology. That means you can rely on it for thousands of charge cycles without worrying about battery fade. Its surge power boost reaches 600 watts peak, enough to run laptops, mini fridges, or even projectors for those holiday movie nights outdoors. The USB-C PD port delivers fast 60-watt charging, so your MacBook or tablet gets juiced in record time. With 6 ports, including 2 AC outlets, 2 USB-A, 1 USB-C, and a car socket, it's ready for any setup. This power station proves you don't need a bulky generator to keep the good times going. It's quiet, smart, and travel-friendly. Perfect for holiday getaways. Next.
Now let's shift gears to the Anker 3-in-1 MagSafe Cube. This one is a personal favorite for people who love minimalist gear. Picture this. A cube small enough to fit in the palm of your hand, unfolding into a fully functional 3-in-1 wireless charging station. It delivers 15-watt, ultra-fast, MagSafe charging to your iPhone, while simultaneously charging your Apple Watch and AirPods. And it's not just about size. Anker has designed this with an adjustable viewing angle of up to 60 degrees, so you can set your phone in portrait for scrolling or landscape for watching videos, all without
Schneider Off-Grid PPS 330, a portable power hub built for those who like adventure without complications. It packs a 332 watt-hour LG lithium-ion battery, and the best part, it keeps over 80% of its capacity even after 1,000 charge cycles. That's serious endurance. You can recharge it 4 ways, via wall, car, USB-C, or solar, and even combine AC and DC for faster results. It powers up to 8 devices simultaneously, including laptops, phones, and even small appliances, thanks to dual 300-watt AC outlets and a 60-watt PD port. There's also a wireless charging pad on top. Drop your phone and it starts charging instantly. Add an ambient LED with an SOS mode and you've got a power station that's built for emergencies and festive nights under the stars.
The Satechi On-the-Go 3-in-1 wireless charger, which is as much a piece of design as it is a charger. Built with premium aluminum and smooth resin, it feels solid and looks sleek, blending into both modern office setups and minimalist home desks. It delivers 15-watt Qi 2 fast charging for your iPhone, 5-watt for your Apple Watch, and 5-watt for AirPods. What I love about the Satechi is its versatility. You can charge your iPhone in landscape, standby, or flat mode, Apple Watch in nightstand or flat mode, and even Android devices in flat mode. At just under 150 grams, it's incredibly lightweight for travel, and it folds neatly to keep everything compact. For anyone who values precision, style, and flexibility in one package, this is a clear standout. Moving into the heavy-duty territory,
the Bluetti AC200L, a a next-level energy giant that leaves everything else in its shadow. With 2,048 watt-hours of life PO4 capacity expandable up to a mind-blowing 8,192 watt-hours, this is your off-grid dream machine. It pushes out 2,400 watts of power with a 3,600 watt power lift mode. Yes, that means it can handle microwaves, coffee makers, even small AC units. And get this, it charges from 0 to 80% in just 45 minutes using a 2,400 watt AC input. Hook up solar panels, and its 1,200 watt solar input tops it off in around 2 hours. With 11 ports including 4 AC outlets, 100 watt PD, 30 amp RV and DC outputs, the bluetti AC 200L
7-in-1 wireless charging station is less of a charger and more of a charging command center. This is the solution for households or offices with multiple devices. It can charge up to 6 gadgets at once, 2 wireless phone chargers, 1 wireless earbuds charger, 1 Apple Watch charger, plus 2 wired ports, 1 USB-A and 1 USB-C for things like tablets, power banks, or even a USB-compatible toothbrush. But Acer didn't stop there. It also includes a smart clock with Bluetooth time sync, displaying the time, day of the week, and even the indoor temperature. Add to that an adjustable warm or cool ambient light feature, and you have a charger that doubles as a desk or nightstand accessory. For families,
Explorer 300, the compact champion that's perfect for travelers and creators. It carries a 293 watt-hour lithium battery and weighs just over 7 pounds, making it ideal for road trips or quick getaways. You can charge up to 6 devices simultaneously. That's 2 AC outlets, USB-C PD, Quick Charge 3.0, USB-A, and a carport for extra flexibility. It recharges incredibly fast, hitting 80% in just 2 hours when plugged into both a wall and USB-C port at once. And when paired with the Jackery Solar Saga 100 panel, you get green, sustainable power wherever you go. Its MPPT controller optimizes solar efficiency, making it one of the most eco-friendly options out there. Whether you're editing videos in your van or lighting up your Christmas tree in the wilderness, Jackery keeps the energy flowing.
MagSafe compatible charger, a name that Apple fans already know for quality. This model brings 15-watt Qi 2 certified fast charging to your iPhone, wireless charging for your Apple Watch and AirPods, and a foldable stand that supports Apple's standby mode. That means you can mount your phone while it charges and see the time, weather, or widgets from across the room. The design features premium materials, a non-slip base for stability, and a soft liquid silicone rubber finish to protect your devices. Belkin includes a 36-watt power supply.
Up next, the Generac GB1000, a familiar name reimagined for the portable age. This 1,086 watt-hour power station gives you clean, emission-free energy wherever you need it, from camping trips to emergency home use. With fast recharging, it goes from 0 to 80% in about 2.1 hours using a wall outlet, or through solar and car options when you're on the move. But Generac adds some luxury touches, a built-in 15-watt wireless charging pad for your phone, and a vibrant 4.7-inch multicolor display that shows real-time battery, input, and runtime data. Compact, durable, and modern, it's made for people who want reliable power without the bulk or hassle. Think of it as the Tesla of portable power. Sleek, smart, and whisper quiet.
We have the AC Island 5-in-1 wireless charger. This one feels like it's from the future. The transparent resin shell reveals the precise engineering inside, while the integrated aluminum heat dissipation system keeps everything cool even during high-speed charging. It offers 15-watt MagSafe fast charging for iPhone, plus extra USB-C and USB-A ports for iPads, power banks, or other USB-powered gear. It includes a 35-watt GN adapter for maximum efficiency, and the 180-degree adjustable stand makes it just as comfortable for portrait or landscape viewing. At only half a pound, it's light enough to take anywhere, but solid enough to feel reliable.
PowerPack 1500, the definition of smart power. This 1500 watt-hour Life PO4 station is built for safety, intelligence, and serious performance. It meets UL 2743 and 9540A fire safety standards, so it's one of the safest portable generators on the market. It recharges to full in just 75 minutes via AC, lightning fast for its size, and also supports solar and car inputs. With 11 output ports including 4 AC, 4 USB-A, 2 USB-C, and a DC outlet, it powers everything from routers to tools with ease. The best part? It's Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and 4G ready. Through the Enphase app, you can check charge levels, track usage, and get live alerts thanks to SyncPulse technology that keeps your battery healthy with automatic updates. It's American-made in Texas, and it's the perfect choice for anyone who wants safe, smart energy at their fingertips. Let's recap the lineup. The Anker 521. Durable, efficient, and perfect for daily use or quick trips. With a 10-year lifespan and LifePO4 reliability, it's the go-anywhere generator that keeps things simple. The Schneider PPS 330. Sleek, safe, and small. Ideal for multi-device users who love wireless charging and SOS-ready features. Then, the powerhouse bluetti AC200L. The expandable monster that redefines off-grid energy with lightning-fast charging and immense capacity. The Jackery Explorer 300. Featherlight, eco-friendly, and road trip ready, bringing solar convenience and rapid charging to creators on the go. The Generac GB1000. Modern design meets rugged dependability with that wireless charging pad and bright LCD screen that's perfect for home backup. And finally, the Enphase IQ PowerPack 1500. Engineered for the future with UL certified safety, app connectivity, and near-instant recharge speed.
Go with the Zhou 3-in-1. If you want something pocket-sized that still charges 3 devices at once, the Anker Cube is perfect. If you value style and precision with lightweight portability, the Satechi OnTheGo is your best match. If you want the most charging spots and extra features like a clock and lighting, the Acer 7-in-1 is unbeatable. For premium Apple-certified reliability and standby-ready
That's it for today's roundup. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and check out the links in the description to learn more about each product.